Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and today I'm back with another Glowforge lesson. My friends, my kids and I have been making cardboard creations. You can see this is a sweet little helicopter, uses straws inside, and it totally spins. If you look closely, we've even got little seats in there. Fun, fast, and as I show the kids these, they're starting to build them even without lessons. So the whole process begins with students learning how to put their name on a piece of cardboard and cut it out using Tinkercad. From there we moved on to the wagons. The initial wagon that I made was tiny, but then the students are allowed to make them any size they want, add cool things like handles, and they actually roll because of the wheels and the straws that we use. It is glued and it has tabs to hold it in place. I do not have rules about the tabs, which is kind of fun. Students are coming up with their own variations. This is another variation that's being built. This one is going to have wheels that actually rotate when it is finished. You can see the handle and everything's in place. He just needs to finish gluing, which is pretty sweet. Next, we have the cool glider lesson. I'll put a link up in the description if you're looking for it. This also has lots of room for variations. This one I'll actually fly for you in a moment. This student named Keto, he's not real interested in being in a video, but he did say I had permission to fly this, so I'll show you a launch in a minute. We also had the sweet little organizer that I call Free Kia. I've got several students that are in the process of building this and getting ready to glue it together as well. And then the last one that I created is perhaps the easiest and fastest. It is the sweet little skateboard. Fun, fast, easy to put custom name. Dual layers are making it much stronger, and it's a pretty sweet project. Alright friends, as promised, here is a launch of Keto's awesome airplane. Once again, totally flexible on the design so they get to do anything they want. And then we get to see these awesome launches. Not bad for cardboard and a Glowforge. Let's see if we can get a flight back at you as well. A lot of potential, a lot of room to grow. So friends, I am totally loving these lessons. I have put them on my website. You can track them down at HLModTech.com. On the website, I got a page called Glowforging, and it has the list of the recommended order, but I'm thinking if anybody is really interested, you can go in any order you want and still have a ton of fun and see some pretty cool learning. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.